How to turn off journal suggestions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Scroll down and go to Journaling Suggestions. Journaling suggestions on an iPhone use on-device processing to group your activities, media, and photos into intelligent prompts for your journal entries. To use them, open the Journal app, tap the Compose button, and browse the suggestions for photos, workouts, and significant locations to start a new entry. Over here, go to the Include Suggestions from section and tap on Turn Off All as shown. Tap on Turn Off All again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily turn off journal suggestions on iPhone.